In this video, I'm gonna let you know what are the interest rate and fees associated with credit card of Citibank. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you, or I'm gonna let you know, the interest rates and fees associated with credit card or Citibank's credit card. So there are basically different sort of criteria. So then the interest rate and the fees are directly associated with the type of credit card that you have. In order to get to know more about it or to understand in a clear way, you could go ahead and open up a browser that sees the, and on the web address bar type in online.citi.co.in/credit card MITCS. I'll make sure to leave the link on my description box below. So according to the card that you have, there are all of the details and explained in a very clear and a precise manner. You could go ahead and read all of these information and accordingly apply it, and you'll be able to get the answer of your question. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.